Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Check out these solar mist paint job. It's just so impressive to me when you see a paint job on a Luxe. And any color looks good on a Luxe. You just imagine what color that you like, whether it matches your truck or matches the beautiful blue sky or matches the decor that you enjoy. Any color looks good on a Luxe. So give us a call, use your imagination and pick your colors and go camping and exploring our great country. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.